Good afternoon to all. Single phase AC circuits. It is a topic now we are going to know. We are going to solve a problem under single phase AC circuits. It is very much useful for students who are studying the subjects basic electrical engineering and circuit theory. If you have any clarification in this video lecture, you can contact my mail ID sivasankarnalusamy@gmail.com. Let us take a problem. A 50 Hz alternating voltage of 150 volt, that is RMS value, is applied independently to resistance of 10 ohm, inductance of 0.2 Henry, capacitance of 50 microfarad. Find the expression for the instantaneous current in each case. Draw the phasor diagram in each case. This is a given problem. Let us write the given data. Frequency F is equal to 50 Hz. RMS value of voltage V, it is a given value 150 volt. Let us solve the problem. For all the three cases, let us take the first one. Resistance value R is equal to 10 ohm. Dear students, here we need to find the value of instantaneous current. So first we have to write the equation for instantaneous voltage. V is equal to Vm sin omega t. To know the value of Vm, it is equal to root 2 V RMS. So root 2 into 150, which is equal to 212.13 volt. From that we can get the value of maximum current Im. It is a ratio between Vm and R. So 212.13 divided by 10 is equal to 21.213 amps. In pure resistive circuit, current is in phase with the voltage. So phase difference is equal to 0 degree. And instantaneous value of current equation is I is equal to Im sin omega t. Now substitute the value of Im, that is 21.213. Instead of omega, we can write 2 pi f, that is 2 into pi into 50, because the value of f is 50. So 2 into 50, 100. So value of I is equal to 21.213 sin of 100 pi t amps. Now the phasor diagram, which represents the angle between voltage and current. In pure resistive circuit, current is in phase with voltage. So current I and voltage V both are in the same direction. Let us take case 2. L is equal to 0.2 Henry. To find the value of instantaneous current for inductor, we have to find the value of inductive reactance. XL is equal to omega L. Instead of omega, we can write 2 pi f. So XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Now apply the value of F and L, which gives XL value is equal to 62.83 ohms. Im is equal to Vm divided by XL, that is 212.13 divided by 62.83 is equal to 3.37 amps. It is the value of current Im. From this we can get the value of instantaneous current I. Dear students, in pure inductive circuit, current lags voltage by 90 degree. Phase difference phi is equal to minus 90 degree because it is pure inductive circuit. In radians it is pi by 2. The equation, instantaneous current equation, I is equal to Im sin of omega t minus phi. The value of Im is 3.37 sin omega t is 100 pi t because omega is 2 pi f. 2 into pi into 50, that gives 100. So instead of writing omega t, we can write 100 pi t minus pi by 2 because the value of phi for pure inductive circuit is minus 90. So the value of instantaneous current I is equal to 3.37 sin of 100 pi t minus pi by 2 amps. Look at the phasor diagram. In x-axis we have taken voltage. In negative y-axis we have taken current. Here current I lags voltage. It is phasor diagram for inductor. Value L is equal to 0.2 Henry. Then solve case 3 for capacitor C, and it is equal to 50 microfarad. For that, first we have to find the value of capacitive reactance Xc. It is equal to 1 by omega C, which is also equal to 1 by 2 pi Fc. Now apply all these values. F value 50, C value 50 microfarad, that is 50 into 10 power minus 6. That gives value of Xc, which is equal to 63.66 ohm. From this we can get the value of Im. It is a ratio between Vm and Xc. Value of Vm is 212.13 already we calculated, and the value of Xc is 63.66. Apply all these values. That gives value of Im, that is equal to 3.33 amps. In pure capacitive circuit, current leads voltage by 90 degree. So the phase difference plus 90 degree in radians plus pi by 2. The equation, current equation, instantaneous current I is equal to Im sine of omega t plus phi. Value of Im is 3.33 and omega t is 100 pi t plus pi by 2. Finally, current equation for instantaneous value I is equal to 3.33 sine of 100 pi t plus pi by 2 amps. Look at the phasor diagram. In x-axis we have taken voltage, that is reference axis. In positive y-axis we have taken current, that gives plus 90 degree phase difference. Here current I leads voltage. From this problem we are understanding the equation for instantaneous current for all the circuit elements R, L, C. Also we are understanding the phasor diagram. That's all. Thank you.